Viewers, big breaking news coming in. Former Deputy Commissioner of Police P. Radhakrishna Rao has made an explosive revelation in Telangana phone tapping and snooping row. Rao has claimed that devices belonging to media industry, bigwigs, retired police officers and politicians, including from the then ruling party BRS, were hacked and monitored. Among the many revelations that have emerged, the former Deputy Commissioner of Police has alleged that a secretive team was set up by former Chief Minister K. Chandrasekhar Rao to keep tabs on his political rivals. Viewers, big revelation by former Deputy Commissioner of Police. He has said that P. Chandrasekhar Rao, the Commissioner of Police has reportedly confessed to his involvement in the phone tapping activities carried out by certain officers with Telangana Special Intelligence Bureau. Joining us is my colleague Aneri. Aneri, take us through all the details. In fact, shocking revelation of a phone tapping case by former Deputy Commissioner of Police.
Well, that's right, Kimi. What we are seeing is that the Hyderabad Task Force former DCP Radhakrishna has now made his confession in connection with the phone tapping case. Well, remember, he was arrested long back, but then now we see that based on the interrogation and what he has revealed is that many of the phones were tapped, including top politicians, businessmen, and also what important thing here, which has been revealed in the confession, is that under the directions of the then Chief Minister KCR, who had given instructions and he wanted to arrest the top BJP leader B.L. Santosh in connection with the farmhouse case of poaching the MLAs from BRS to BJP back then in 2022. But then KCR wanted to arrest B.L. Santosh and make a strong case against him so that the BJP could be cornered and then they could come for a compromise to get rid of the liquor case in which KCR's daughter Kavita is involved. So definitely a lot of revolutions which have been come out in this particular confession which has been made by Radhakrishna Rao, who is right now in jail. But yes, phone tapping case where many of the leaders' phones, businessmen phones were under surveillance, retired officers, politicians and also media personalities' phones were also being tapped during the KCR regime. A big revolution coming in from from Radhakrishna Rao, one of the top cops during the KCR regime, where direct links and also on the instructions of KCR, they had formed SID where they systematically used to gather information about particular people and make sure that all the information which is being gathered is being given to KCR personally during that.
Well, thank you, Aneri, for those details. In fact, a secretive team had been formed by K. Chandrasekhar Rao to keep tab on his rivals.